In episode 2 of the Love Life Between Lines, I am talking to you about the blood knot. When do we use the blood knot? I would like to tie two lines, monofilament lines, that are similar in diameter. Then I use the blood knot. When the lines are thin and thick, it doesn't work as well. Then the 30-second knot is better. But with similar diameter line, the blood knot is the best. And this is how I make it. You take the two lines, put it like a railway tracks next to each other. Now the idea is to take the middle, spin it a couple of times. I like to do it about 7 times, and then put the one line through that gap from the one side and the other one through from the other side, and then pull it tight slowly. Now I need my mouth to do it, hence I cannot talk to you while I'm doing it. So just watch what I'm doing. Railway tracks, keep these two tight and then spin it in the middle. This is how I do it. Seven times. The one coming from one side, other one coming from the other side. Now here, you need to be wake up, because if you do this incorrect and you have the tension on the wrong one, it flips the knot inside out, and you don't want that. So you have to carefully, while you are also holding the tag ends, carefully pull it tighter until it's almost tight, just like that. Keep on pulling. Then at this stage, you are going to wet it. And then in one movement, you're just pulling it tight. That's it. And then you'll be able to see. Now, I've used same diameter lines, but two colors, so that you can easily see exactly how the knot develops. And that's it. That is the blood knot for two similar or same size or diameter lines.